Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through resetting your BIOS without having to open your computer. We will start by using the built-in BIOS software option, and then I'll briefly explain how to reset your motherboard BIOS using the Clear CMOS jumper method if needed. So now let's jump right into it. Now before starting, you will need to find out what your BIOS sequencer or boot menu key is. It could be anything like Escape, F2, F8, Delete, or F12. Now you have to find out, depending on the motherboard, what key you have. In my case, I have an AMD motherboard, which you can see right over here. All I have to do is search AMD BIOS key, and it will give you the keys. Now, if you have a Gigabyte motherboard, do that. If you have an Asus motherboard, you have to do that. Just simply get the key that you have, power off your computer directly from the plug point, and then start the power key again. Once you see the black screen of your computer, press that particular key. Once your system starts booting, you will have this black screen. All you have to do is simply press your BIOS key. After pressing that key, you should be in your boot menu. Now, depending on the manufacturer of your motherboard, your boot menu will look different compared to other videos. But you have to find a simple option which will be Reset, Load Optimized Default, or Factory Settings, or something similar. All you have to do is simply find that particular setting, hit Enter on your keyboard, and that should reset your BIOS. Your computer will automatically boot, and if you have an operating system, it will start opening that. Now after that, your BIOS should be completely reset. There is an additional option that you can use. Sometimes you might need to reset the BIOS by directly clearing the CMOS on your motherboard. Although this method requires a bit of physical access, many modern motherboards come with a dedicated Clear CMOS jumper or button. If you decide to use this method, follow these steps. Firstly, power off your computer and unplug it. Now open the case to locate the Clear CMOS jumper on your motherboard. It is typically labeled as Clear CMOS or CLR_CMOS. You can refer to your motherboard's manual for the exact location. If you don't have a manual, you can find a detailed image or a guide by searching your motherboard's model along with Clear CMOS jumper. Now move the jumper from its default position to the reset position for about 5 to 10 seconds, or press the dedicated button if available. For example, in this image, you have a dedicated CMOS button on this motherboard. All you have to do is simply press this button and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds. If you don't have a dedicated D button on your motherboard, you have to look for the CMOS battery, which you can see right over here. Now again, all you have to do is simply remove the battery using something sharp. It can pop out if you use a little bit of force, and don't worry, it won't cause any harm. Just remove the battery, wait for 5 to 10 seconds, then put the battery back in. If you have disassembled anything from your motherboard, simply reassemble it and you should be good to go. And that's it. You have now learned how to reset your BIOS settings using the software method, and we also covered the physical Clear CMOS method by resetting the motherboard BIOS. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, please leave a comment below. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.